If you are coming from Tajikistan, the easiest and most exciting way to travel to Konkan Fergana Valley is via Patar Andar Khan border. After crossing the border, you find a wonderful, comfortable network of roads that connects the towns, villages, the agri land, fruit orchards, and many other important spots together. The journey from Pattar Andar Khan border to Konkan is relatively short, but it offers an interesting glimpse into everyday life in the Uzbek part of the Fergana Valley. Once immigration formalities are completed, travelers usually walk a short distance to a gathering point where shared taxis wait for passengers. The drivers call out destinations, negotiate fares, and wait until their cars are full before departing. This lively scene reflects the practical and communal nature of local transportation. Soon after leaving the border area, the road passes through villages surrounded by fertile agricultural land. The Fergana Valley is one of the most densely populated and productive regions of Central Asia. Fields of cotton, wheat, maize, vegetables, and fruit orchards stretch across the landscape. Irrigation canals carrying water diverted from mountain rivers run alongside roads and fields. It is a very interesting journey, especially by shared taxi. You get a variety of information by the locals and especially by the drivers. Farmers can often be seen tending crops, pruning trees, loading produce on small trucks, or transporting goods by donkey carts or motorcycles. During harvest seasons, groups of workers gather in the fields from early morning. Shared taxis provide an excellent opportunity to observe local social customs. Passengers often greet one another warmly, exchange news about family members, discuss market prices, or talk about employment opportunities. While older men commonly wear embroidery skull caps, while elderly women may wear colorful dress with light scarves. At town or village bus stops and roadside shops, people gather for conversation. It is a norm here in Uzbekistan. Small tea houses serve tea in specially designed cups, and men may sit under shady trees discussing current events, farming, or community matters. On the other side, children returning from school can often be seen walking in groups wearing neat uniforms, and carrying backpacks. Villages along the route consist mainly of single story houses built around enclosed courtyards. High walls provide privacy and protection from summer heat. Many gates are decorated with ornamental metalwork, and courtyards often contain grapevines, apricot trees, mulberry trees, and flower gardens. It is very interesting to observe these sort of things inside a house. Traditional houses are designed to cope with the climate. Verandas supported by carved wooden columns provide shaded outdoor spaces where families gather during warm evening. Some newer houses display modern architectural influences with larger facades and colorful exterior finishes. Markets and small business centers are stretched along the road. Passing through district centers, travelers may notice bustling bazaars, bakeries, repair workshops, and roadside stalls selling melons, cherries, peaches, and freshly baked bread. The aroma of warm bread from traditional clay ovens frequently drift into the streets. Women often sell homemade dairy products, herbs, or seasonal fruits, while men operate small cafes, barber shops, and automobile repair businesses. Such enterprises form an important part of local economic life. After crossing the border, the first smaller district settlement that is well organized is called as Bisharik. Here you can exchange the money, or you may get the SIM for your phone if you are coming from Tajikistan. The rates are the conversion rates are reasonable, so it is recommended to exchange your money here instead of at border. This district is basically agricultural hub, and it is famous for the agricultural products, especially cotton, rice, and fruit orchards are abundantly here. Many taxis travel through or near Bisharik on their way to Konkan, so you can even take a rest here. The Fergana Valley represents a pliant rural landscape. Rows of popular trees like many roads providing shade during the hot summer months. Irrigation channels sparkle in the sunlight, while distant mountain ranges occasionally appear on the horizon. The spring and early summer orchards are especially attractive with lush greenery and abundant fruits. Birds nest among roadside trees, and livestock such as cows, sheep, and goats graze near villages. The overall atmosphere is generally peaceful and reflects a close relationship between people and their agricultural surroundings. As the taxi nears Konkan, traffic becomes heavier and wider avenues begin to replace village roads, shops, apartment buildings, educational institutions, and cafes become more frequent. The city combines modern development with reminders of its rich historical past. Even during this short journey, travelers gain valuable insight into the social warmth, agricultural traditions, family oriented lifestyle, and enduring cultural heritage that characterize daily life in the Fergana Valley. The shared taxi ride is therefore more than a simple transportation. It offers a small but meaningful introduction to the rhythms of ordinary life in eastern Uzbekistan. Here we have entered in Konkan, so you can disembark the shared taxi wherever you like. Generally, the drivers are kind enough to drop you at your desired destination. Here, this is the main spot where you can disembark.
Es bin nicht Pazalusta девушка. Wie можете сказать, как называется это место?
Это Kokand Набиев улица называется.
Набиев?
Набиев.
Набиев
Да.
улица.
Набиев улица, да.
А, улица.
Да, да.
Спасибо.
Это Хакимият называется.
Спасибо.
Here, this is basically the center of Konkan, and you can find a variety of low-cost hotels and hostels surrounding this region. So, it is always advisable to seek some peaceful place that is not only comfortable in providing you the local cuisine and everything related to the local culture, but also that should be very cost effective. Konkan seems to be a very calm and comfortable city due to low traffic and a simple lifestyle. You can enjoy a peaceful stay here, especially if you are interested in meeting with the locals and acquiring information about their living culture, their daily lifestyle. You will observe a lot of interesting and wonderful things around. People here are very friendly and open to the foreigners, and they respect not only the values of their owns, but also they find a comfortable encounter with you. You can talk to any person and find the information about the city. It is always advisable to keep walking and wandering randomly and try to contact with the local people. They will provide you the first hand information, or rather a very practical information about the city. That is what is the most important and the listed thing to observe in the city, where to go, what to see, how to do the things. All these informations are very important to make your tour a wonderful and memorable event of your life. The city is very clean and comfortable. Wherever you go, you will find few people are around, and that's true. They are in a very comfortable position. Either they are relaxing, sitting, talking, or they are fulfilling their sort of hobbies. It is a very interesting experience to observe such towns, the life, the culture, the way of living of the local people. It is always very interesting and provides you a lot of information about the local society. As you move, you will find the friendly people who come to you
या इज पाकिस्तान ना
and
Hi, Pakistan.
provide you the information about
كيف
the
حالك؟
local society.
كيف حالك خير خير
What's your name, my brother?
हाँ
What's your name, my brother? My name is Abdul Rahman.
عبد الرحمن مني زبوت محمد فيض علم
Mohammed, where is his name today?
دا دا السلام عليكم دا دا
Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan здесь я везу люди очень милые, тихие, добродушные, жизнерадостные.
Pakistan is nasz bratcy, да?
Да, конечно. Вы можете сказать, как я могу добраться автовокзал, потому что я хочу добрать Фергана.
Firgane хотите? Нет, если Firgane хотите, то автовокзал.
It is always advisable to seek the first hand information from the local. They will provide you the most effective way to enjoy your stay, what to eat, and that is even at cheaper costs. Now, friends, come to Russian lesson 61. That is about how to get share taxi or marshrutka, and that is how to make a bargaining. One thing you should note that in Russian speaking countries, these are the common modes for transportation, and bargaining is an integral part, because generally the drivers ask hefty amounts regarding their traveling options, but you can scale down and bring the cost very reasonably low, especially if you are fluent or if you know some words of Russian language. Here we are going to provide you the most frequent negotiation terms or the dialogues in Russian language. Learn these letters or the words or the sentences carefully, and you will see the effect of these sentences. So let's start from one. Vodite викокант 20 $. Турист 20 это дорога. Водите это хорошая цена. Турист нет, я путешествовал budgetna. These types of sentences are generally exchanged between the tourist and the driver. So, if you learn these sentences, you can easily negotiate and bring the cost or the fare price very reasonable. Now, in the same way, some further question or the dialogues could be asked, such as 3. Vodite, skolka vi możecie zaplatit. Tourist, $5 za miejsca w общей maszynie. Водите нет minimum $10. Tourist, спасибо. Я подожду другую машину. Водите хорошо. $5 договорились. Tourist, отлично, спасибо. These types of conversations are very common whenever you travel anywhere in Russian speaking country. So it is very important to learn these sentences. Other thing is that don't hesitate to negotiate, because you will see that generally the cost of transportation is affordable, cheaper, not only for the tourists, but the local people pay much more than the tourists. So it is a very common practice in the Russian speaking countries to negotiate and bring the costs down, not only for the transportation, but you can negotiate at many other places. So the pattern is generally the same. So keep learning and keep enjoying.